coffee girl is gonna try matcha. You take so much care of your body and then you put alcohol and you feel like what the hell. It's me as an AI model. वो ऐसा देख रहा है and वो लड़कों को भी दिखा रहा है कि इसको देख.
सबर का फल मीठा होता है.
शुगर फ्री वाला मीठा. आंखों के सामने ये फ्लाइट निकल रही है. नजर लग गई. कंटेंट अपने आप मिल जाता है हमको.
Hours later.
Alright guys, we have reached Calcutta. This is our beautiful room. Amazing, comfortable, and there's a changing space also. Oh, it's a full wall. I think they've upgraded us. Yeah, this is an upgrade. I didn't book this, but good. I like an upgrade. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and we hustle together. We are in Calcutta, not California. आपको लगा इतना जल्दी मैं कैलिफोर्निया पहुंच जाऊंगी जब मेरा लॉन्च हो रहा है मुंबई में? I have absolutely no time to take a vacation right now. We are in a workation in Kolkata, and that is because tomorrow we are going inside Dot & Key's lab. Okay, I'm here with Dot & Key. You know I love Dot & Key products, and they've never done this. Like they've literally called creators, very few creators, to show us what and where their products are made and what goes inside of it. And you know I love these behind the scenes kind of projects that I get to do, because with Impulse also I go inside and I see what's happening and I love to take you also. अभी कुछ vlogs पहले मैं आपको Impulse की फैक्ट्री में लेके गई थी. अभी हम Dot & Key के लैब में जाएंगे. वो कल है. कल सुबह मैं एक दिन पहले ही आ गई हूँ ताकि I'm not too tired, because it's been a very hectic week for me. If you saw my last vlog, I also was having horrible migraines this week. Now it's much better. It's the weekend. I'm here. इधर की हवा भी काफी एक्चुअली इतनी गर्मी नहीं है जितना मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. और अभी शाम हो गई है, तो आई एम एक्चुअली गोना मीट द Dot & Key मैनेजर Pragya. शी इज अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड एंड वी आर गोना गो डाउन. शी वांट्स टू मेक मी हैव matcha, which is her favorite drink of all time. Coffee girl is gonna try matcha, and I do have matcha. I'm not a matcha hater, but I'm not a matcha lover also. I'm neutral about it. So we can have matcha and we will eat because I'm very hungry. And Sharon is trying to wash her face. Oh my god, face wash. मैं इतनी थकी हुई थी गाइस कि मैंने इंट्रो भी नहीं किया प्लेन में. शरण इज लाइक व्लॉग कब स्टार्ट करोगे? आई वाज लाइक जब मेरे में ताकत आएगी. अब मैंने इम्पल्स कॉफी पी है, मेरे में ताकत आ गई है. आई हैड कम हियर फॉर अ मीटिंग व्हिच हैज आल्सो गॉन वेल. सो मतलब no, I had come for Dot & Key, but I also had that meeting already. That's gone well, so there's energy inside of me. Now let's go have matcha. Yeah, kathi roll is good. Pragya, say hi to my vlog. Oh, very good vibes, huh? Kolkata में एकदम Bali vibes in Kolkata. Miss Pragya here has made me order vanilla matcha. We will do a taste test, and I ordered truffle butter scrambled eggs. Looks so good. Yum yum. Over it. I love my natural nails now.
I've accepted it now.
Even I've accepted it. Oh my god, I cannot sit in the salon for 3 hours and get my nails done. अभी इतने पे मैं काट भी देती हूँ. मैं file and cut.
तो फाउंडर आप बिजी आपका समझ.
A few moments later.
Guys, मैं मस्त खा के आई हूँ. वो खा. हाँ, शेरिन. रूम का चाबी लेके चली गई शेरिन. Vlog भी हो गई. I was trying to vlog. Give little light. I have to tell my audience ना कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. यस, चाबी लेके आऊंगी. मस्त कैफे का खाना खाया हमने, जो हमको प्रज्ञा लेके गई थी. एकदम टॉप कैफे रिकमेंडेशन था. अब मेरे बाल इतने ग्रीसी हो गए कि गर्ल नीड्स अ हेयर वॉश, ब्लो ड्राई, बिकॉज कल सुबह हमको जाना है. अर्ली मॉर्निंग है हमारा शूट 10 o'clock. सो लेट्स गो. नीचे एक सैलून है. पार्क स्ट्रीट इज, आई एम लिविंग ऑन पार्क स्ट्रीट इन कोलकाता, एंड इट्स वेरी हैपनिंग. इट्स लिटरली लाइक योर लोखंड वाला ऑफ Andheri, I would say. I don't know. I'm not from here. I don't know the analogy for Bombay, but it's like Lokhandwala. It's very happening. There's everything. Literally, I can see a Taco Bell from outside my room ka window and a social. So, of course, it's like Versova. Or like Bandra also, of course. All our top places in Bombay जहाँ हर चीज बाजू बाजू में है. सैलून भी नीचे ही कहीं है, तो हम नीचे जाते हैं दुकानों में एंड हेयर वॉश ब्लो ड्राई करा लेते हैं क्विकली. रबर बैंड ले लेती हूँ हाथ में ही. इतने बाल ग्रीसी थे कि बिना रबर बैंड के आई वाज टाइंग माय अम्बोड़ा. There's a momoso here. I had bought something for Fudge from this momoso. We can take for him. Flurries is here. And there should be a salon here only somewhere. This is a very happening street, guys. This is like Lokhandwala, no?
Yeah. But Lokhandwala से ज़्यादा है तो.
Bandra.
Lokhandwala is more shopping. No, this is like food, book, everything is lot of things happening.
No, बुक भी दुकान में मिलते हैं लोखंडवाला के. तू देखती नहीं है?
Lokhandwala इधर देखो ना सब में चीज.
On the street, yeah.
Color भी, trees to be color.
This is the only lit part of Kolkata. तूने यही देख ली सबसे पहले.
हाँ,
दुर्गा पूजा में everything is lit but in a different way. Look who we have in India, in Kolkata. If you all remember her from my previous vlog. She's Sunaina. She's made the Dubai mystery box. That is the most viral video you've done with me. So, yes. Look at my manager who slept. Literally, बेचारी बहुत थक गई. Why did you come? तो hotel room में सो सकती थी ना. अभी बिरयानी खा के सोना है, फिर रूम पे जाके सोना है. It's like you look so nice.
अगर खाएंगे सोएंगे.
मैं उसको बोली देखो कुछ. I'll sleep like this, yeah. खराब मतलब गर्ल्स नहीं करे. गर्ल्स फ्लैट हो जाते हैं.
Later that same evening.
Guys, food has arrived after 1 hour 15 minutes because Arsalan को कॉल करके रिमाइंड करना पड़ता है कि भैया ऑर्डर किया है तो प्लीज भेज दो. They don't deliver. Last time दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम पे also my food never came. And then I had to cancel. But today, first time I'm going to eat Arsalan ka khana, which is a very popular place here in Kolkata. We ordered cheese malai kebab, chicken tandoori, and mutton Lucknowi biryani. Also, I just got my period, so I'm so happy because anybody who knows me knows I have the worst PMS. तो एक हफ्ते से मैं सफर कर रही हूँ कि आ नहीं रहा है, but जो चेतावनी मेरी बॉडी दे रही है, the mood swings, the migraines, the body pain, I have been ranting about it on my broadcast, and my broadcast family knows. And these pimples are also sign के my body was in like warning. But the minute my period comes, my body is like in divine feminine energy, and it's like these two girls are like can't relate because they have horrible periods, but I'm like, yeah, I can conquer the world tomorrow. Like I will be glowing goddess by day after tomorrow on my second day. Divine feminine energy inside of me.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. It's 9:30. We have to be in the Dot & Key office at 10:30, which is literally baju mein. So there's no travel time. I will be done with my makeup in the next 15 minutes. I'm doing a no makeup look because it's a sunscreen lab experimental experience. So I don't think they want us to apply it on the face. I've already tried all their sunscreens. In fact, got the Dot & Key Bounce sunscreen on my face right now. So it's more about seeing, witnessing, and capturing that. So I can do makeup. I already spoke to the POC. So let me do like very, very basic makeup just because I'm breaking out because of my PMS right now. Don't want to go like this for a shoot. Even I have insecurities, okay? Like no matter how much pimples I get in life, like I've gotten teenage acne, adult acne, all the types of acne, and I'm still insecure. And I eat so clean now, like it's crazy. मैं कल सिर्फ अंडा तंदूरी चिकन I've only had that. I've barely eaten. No sugar, no this. I'm in Kolkata, no rasgulla, nothing. Even biryani yesterday from Arsalan, I ate one morsel just to taste the mutton biryani. That's it. It was good, by the way. But mostly I ate the mutton and I didn't eat the rice of the biryani to keep my gut clean. I've become very glucose intolerant. Now thoda bhi glucose agar jata hai system mein, then I get breakouts, inflammation, water retention, and all of that. I should do like a little bit of a face massage. See, now I'm not that puffy when I wake up in the morning. Can you see that? My face is not puffy. That means it helps. Like when I cut down on my sugars, it actually helps to remove that inflammation from my face. Varna agar main bahut sugar, I've also quit alcohol. Did I tell you all that? Last year I quit alcohol completely. I don't think you all know this, but yeah, I have. So after that, my puffiness of course went down significantly, and now I'm quitting sugar again. I've quit sugar many times in my life, and whenever you do it, you love it. 30 days is hard. hard, and then after that it's easy. It comes naturally to you. Like now I'm in that coming easy naturally phase because my 30 days are done, and now you will again start seeing my skin not like this PMS. अभी भी 2 पिंपल आए. Next time I'm hoping एक ही आएगा. तो hormonal acne you'll still get because of course your hormones are dipping completely. They are signaling you that something is going to go wrong with your body. You're gonna get your period. It's like if there was no period calendar application on my phone, my body is already telling me, girl, you gotta rest, you're getting your period. But now I got it. Now by tomorrow my skin will be glowing. I'm not even kidding. My acne will be gone. Like I want to do a lymphatic drainage massage, but there is no puffiness. This is how my face looks throughout the day. And that's only because if you cut down sugar and your carbs, like you can have in one meal a day. Yash always tells me, एक meal में you can have. Like कल रात को मैंने एक मौसल बिरयानी खाया. It should just be your biryani is this much and your protein is this much. Which in Indians we used to take इतना चावल and then इतना सा दाल या इतना सा chicken, एक piece chicken and इतना curry and rice. So you just change your proportions of your plate and you see the magic. I'm going to use the House Labs foundation. I love this stuff. Just one pump of this. And first I'm going to just swipe the Dior stick foundation on my face. I love this foundation combo. Is so good. Sharon, by the way, has gone down to get breakfast. We don't have the hotel breakfast, so she's just gonna get from Motherland, जहाँ हम कल गए थे क्योंकि उधर का अंडा अच्छा था. And then with breakfast, I'll have my coffee also तभी only. Dior का नया भी foundation है. I wanna try that. You guys, the meeting I had yesterday has gone so well. Before I started my vlog, I told you I came to Kolkata. I landed, I had a meeting. Uske baad I came to the room and started my vlog. That meeting has given me so much perspective. It's not even funny. This concealer duo, Fenty and Dior. What a concealer duo. Look at that under eye. It's the perfect amount of glow and creaseless finish. Both of them don't crease and Fenty's matte and Dior's glowy and both of them are insane coverage. Look at me saying no makeup look and doing double concealer, double foundation. I just wanna look my best as it's Sunday. Guys, I'm working on a Sunday. I wanna look my best. Your girl is tired to her bones. Like somebody gives me 1 week in Bali with nothing to do, I'll take it. I had a brand trip opportunity to go to Bali, but then that would mean work, so I didn't take it. And like I want to go to Bali and just sleep, not do anything, literally just sleep. I just want to relax and eat Balinese, which is carbs by the way. Order aaya. Today is the second day of my period. Would you believe me? And I would say, like, it's never like I went off of my nutrition plan with Ask Natural. I never went off it. I always did it, but just not that religiously. So because I've always eaten high protein since Yash has come into my life, that is since 2.5 years I've been eating high protein. High protein really helps you regulate your hormones. Like my hormones are now all fixed, it feels like my PCOS is fixed to a large extent, plus quitting alcohol and then all these soda drinks also I reduce quite a lot because carbonated water is also not very good for you. So even if you're having Diet Coke, I allow myself only 3 times a week. Now that Impulse का guilt-free iced teas come, I don't even do the 3 times a week. अभी तो guilt-free iced tea पीती हूँ क्योंकि उसमें carbonated water नहीं है. That is better for you. It genuinely has like vitamins and it is going to feel good after having that. So अभी तो मैं drink के नाम पे वो ही लेती हूँ, Impulse की iced tea. बाकी वैसे मैं मीठे में शक्कर चॉकलेट तो नहीं खाती थी. मेरे drinks में ही मीठा हो जाता था. Alcohol में बहुत मीठा होता है because you have tonic water with gin or you have wine. Wine has so much sugar. So quitting alcohol was a game changer for me. I did it after Umrah. I did it for religious reasons, but I was happy doing it because I was also like, I want to anyway quit for good health, etc, etc. You take so much care of your body and then you put alcohol and you feel like, what the hell? Like I quit last year in November. I had actually quit long back only, but after Umrah it was like done for. Like never again will I do this. Now you can see like the quality of muscle in my body is really good. Like good quality muscle. Even on my thighs and all, you cannot like, it's not like I have jiggly fat. See, I have like a really firm thigh. Like my quads and everything are very strong because I do very heavy squats. I do 60 kg squats and then I do 40 kg deadlift. So वो सारी चीजें कर करके my protein and my muscles have become very strong, which is great for somebody like women. It's actually great for you to have good muscle. Like as a kid I was always made to feel scared of the gym because अरे बहुत masculine दिखने लगे. Not at all. Like you don't look masculine when you go to the gym. People are like, need to remove so many myths from the Indian mentality. Forget about your looks. You feel amazing when you lift weights because you feel so strong and powerful, and you are strong and powerful, and your hormones get regulated. That's the best thing about weightlifting because females have so many hormones, and we need to regularize and control the demons inside of us, which is all done in the gym. I don't post a lot from the gym. I also feel like because I'm not like the ideal skinny body that people glorify on the internet, I get a lot of body shaming when I put my gym videos, especially on YouTube Shorts. जब मैं डालती हूँ mini vlog वगैरह और मैं gym जाती हूँ तो people body shame me. Me going to the gym is for me. I'm not telling you तुम भी जाओ. I'm just telling you what it does for me, and I'm telling you a day in my life. But when people body shame, it of course gets to me, and then my insecurities get triggered just because I'm not skinny. And skinny is going to become the new normal, you guys. Ozempic is getting abused in the market. So if you're gonna start looking at the figures online and feeling like you want to be like them, it's yay breakfast. Thank you. I'm having like this TED talk with my vlog. So I was saying that skinny is going to become the new normal because Ozempic is becoming a pharma grade. Like the patent is going to go from that company which had it. And now Mounjaro and Ozempic are very soon going to be easily available in your drugstore for very cheap money. And you will see everyone abuse it. So be very careful of what you see on the internet because that kind of skinny is not what you want for your life. जब ऐसे सारे drugs लो, पहली बात तो वो diabetics के लिए drugs थे. It is not for fat loss. It is for diabetic people. It is a medicine for them. When you take it, a normal person takes it, you will not just lose fat, you will lose protein also from your body. You will lose muscle also. So weight जो weighing scale पे कम हो रहा है वो खाली hypothetical है. वो अगर आपका protein लेके जा रहा है तो just imagine it took me 2 years to build my quadriceps. Like it took me 2 years to build maybe just मेरा bicep फिर भी दिख नहीं रहा है. You can feel it but दिख नहीं रहा है. It takes a lot of years of eating तगड़ा meat to make protein in your body, or like eat a lot of protein powder and supplements to make protein and muscle in your body. Muscle building takes very long. So if you do Ozempic and all this and lose muscle, it's going to take you very long to gain back, and you'll have a lot of health issues in your old age because then of course weak muscle, weak bones, etc, etc. So never go down that route, but also beware of the internet and social media because very soon skinny is going to become the new normal, and you will feel like bodies like mine are abnormal and you all want to be skinny because that's what everyone's going to look like. Especially in the US and all, people abuse all this very easily, and वो इंडिया में आने ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. तो प्लीज बहक मत जाना सबको पतला देख के. Your body is yours and it's for you to decide if you're healthy or not. Like, are you on the right track? Are you doing things? Like, see how I'm doing things for myself, you don't know. I've quit alcohol, I've quit sugar, I've done things for myself, you don't know. So you're nobody to judge if I'm healthy or not. I decide for myself because I'm feeling it, right? My body feels what my fitness is. Fitness should be your personal feeling and not what you portray on social media. So please don't try to seek external validation on your health journey, and normalize eating right and not being on Ozempic for fat loss. Anyways, we will have some scrambled eggs in the morning with some potato. I want to put MCT on this, but I didn't bring it. Yeah, she's gonna kill me for that, but that's okay. So good. Same jagah se Motherland se. They put truffle butter.
20 minutes later.
Alright, it's 10:20. We are ready. We're gonna bounce. And बाजू में तो पहुंच जाएंगे 10:30 को हमारा हुआ है. नीचे मुझे रूम एक्सटेंड कराना है. आज मेरी रात की फ्लाइट है तो I think I'll take the room for today as well, just so that I can sleep in the afternoon. Since I'm on my period, I want to rest if I need it. Once your hair is done, your half problems are done. I'm not even kidding. I woke up so late and I'm already ready because makeup doesn't take me so long. This pendant, a lot of you will ask me. It's from Swarovski. Reet gave me gift for our anniversary. And yeah, I'm ready. This is my cute butter yellow fit. It's from Miss Mosa Official. I'm gonna link it niche for you. So cute. I love the fabric also. And it's fabulous. And I'm carrying my Jacquemus.
Guys, Sarah's looking so hot. Hot from back and cottage core from front.
Just take you through the office and I'll give you a brief handout. We also have our lab downstairs where we have our R&D team. We'll be showing you how the new age filter sunscreens are made. We'll show you the ingredients and how the products are made. So that's a lab setup. I'll just take you through the place where the session will be done. We'll have like a very open conversation around sun protection or new age filters. There'll be a presentation given on as well.
What is this?
She said me yesterday she'll get something.
What is it?
That Nepali.
Oh, the Nepali.
Is it here?
The snack. Yum, the Nepali snacks. Bro, we ate Arsalan last night. It was really good. Yum, I'm gonna eat this in the room. Why you called me so early?
Just to chit chat with you.
We did that all of yesterday. We literally do only that, Pragya. This is my VIP access photo. Does this look like me, guys? Looks like an AI bot of me.
This is the photo that Sharon gave me.
This is not my picture. This looks like someone else.
Pooja gave me this. This is your passport picture.
But it has been photoshopped or
Yeah,
something.
thoda sa.
It's me as an AI model.
Understood the chapter very well. Thanks to all of you again in helping us to bring this out in the positive light. I remember this entire chapter started with in vivo and in vitro testing, where I don't think the customers really knew about what this entire funda was, right?
We're in the Dot & Key lab. कुछ भी बना सकती हूँ मैं? क्या बनाऊँ?
Many hours later.
Alright guys, shoot is done with Dot & Key in their lab. जो भी हमने shoot किया वो आपको मेरी reel पे देखना पड़ेगा because of course we were shooting for Instagram, तो मैं दोनों तो नहीं कर सकती shoot. And बहुत ही अच्छे से formula, like it was so insightful and I really do love these conversations with brands. There were customers also, so it was like how we do Impulse का focus group, वैसी customer focus group भी था, influencers भी थे, and the founder was there. That founder, there are two founders in Dot & Key, Suyash and Anisha. And Anisha is the one who looks after products, so she was explaining everything, the process of how they formulate their sunscreens and कैसे उन्होंने new age filters इसीलिए लाया because now people were demanding it. It's honestly a very split discussion in the whole world. Like there are some people who only swear by old age UV filters, there are some people who only swear by new gen UV filters, mostly the people in Korea, and because Korea is now becoming the gold standard of beauty, we have to follow that, so which is why they formulated this. While they are very heavy filters, usually they are very lightweight and easy to apply because they've made it and formulated it in that way. So I love that they keep that sensory component in mind because of course अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगे अप्लाई करने तो आप क्यों ही सनस्क्रीन लगाओगे, राइट? इट्स नॉट द पहले का जमाना कि व्हाइट कास्ट हमको पसंद है या हमको वो हेवीनेस पसंद है या डॉक्टर ने बोला है तो हम सनस्क्रीन लगाएंगे. So it's really nice, very insightful. We went to the lab, we shot the reel, they showed us the different tests they do and how they package the product, etc. They formulate there and then of course contract manufacturing happens everywhere else. It was really nice. We're going to eat food because I've not eaten it. It's 3:30 एंड खाना नहीं खाया है लंच, तो यार सुबह जो खाया था बस वही खाया. अभी एक लेज़ का पैकेट खा लिया. यू से नो कार्ब्स बट देन ऐसे सब हो ही जाता है थोड़ा सा. क्या है, भूखे तो नहीं रह सकते. नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक टू Arsalan बिकॉज इट इज़ वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हियर. पार्क स्ट्रीट पे वैसे भी सब कुछ ही है. दिस रेस्टोरेंट is so shady looking, not even funny. Like the hotel is really good but the kind of people in this cafe is like a little. धूप तो है भाई कोलकाता में, बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, चुभने वाली धूप है इधर की. अच्छा है मैंने सनस्क्रीन लगाया है, मेकअप के ऊपर भी लगाया मैंने उनका सनस्क्रीन. ये साइड पे बहुत अच्छे से लेयर हुआ क्योंकि मैं अभी देख रही हूँ रील्स पे ये सब वायरल हो रहा है कि रीअप्लाई द ओरिजिनल सनस्क्रीन ऑन दिस साइड Arsalan. ओके लेट्स गो गाइस. यस श्योर. We can go to Kareem's also. वो गाने गा रहा था मेरे को देख के आदमी.
कौन सा?
वो
Weird only thing like
या मैं ना very हाँ टपरी वाला तो he was literally looking at my boobs like as if he's not seen boobs before. He was not even subtle about it. He was not even subtle like. They are not subtle about it at all. And this is the first time I'm experiencing because I'm only with Sharon. Usually मेरे साथ हमेशा लड़के होते कोलकाता में. वो ऐसा देख रहा है and वो लड़कों को भी दिखा रहा है कि इसको देख. She, I genuinely never saw this side of Kolkata, and so far, कल से Sharon was going up and down a lot, and she was saying men are very creepy or men are very, because she came first time to Kolkata, so she was constantly saying men are very creepy, and मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं क्योंकि मैं हमेशा रीत अमित इन लोग के साथ ही आई हूँ, तो मुझे फील नहीं हुआ
Yeah, that is the best way to put it. They're not subtle. They'll make you feel
कि हम देख रहे हैं.
कर लो तुम मुझे कर लो.
हाँ, देखो अभी वो जिस तरीके से वो आदमी मुझे
Yeah,
देख
he's like punching
he
them.
looked at me, he looked at my boobs, and then he showed his friends like देख इसको देख, and सब लोग मेरे को देख के स्माइल कर रहे टपरी पे से, जिसने पता नहीं मैं क्या कर लूँगी उनके लिए. मरने का मन किया हमको अभी.
Blood boiling out of women.
I know. हम मुंबई वालों को बिल्कुल ईव टीजिंग की आदत नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
And एक आग दिखा तो तुम लोग देखेंगे भी
The
नहीं.
way if मुंबई के आदमी बहुत डरे हुए, which is good. That's the way you should.
Yesterday I was in the hotel room also. There was one man. He didn't have any work. He probably just came in to check in. But the moment he saw me, back and forth and looking at me straight in my eye, I was like, that's when I rushed. Even when you were on call, I was like, oh my god, it was scary because the entire lobby is silent, and anything could go wrong.
Not a solo trip destination.
Two hours later.
Now what am
एक कप में 2 इंसान पी सकते. That is the most dumbest
I
question.
have come from the shoot and lay here after that Arsalan and इतना gloomy हो गया, ऐसा लग रहा है बारिश होने वाली है, तो मैंने चाय मंगाई है, मुझे चाय पीनी है अभी. Actually मुझे
And
चाय और
की
बन
चाय
मस्का.
तो मिलेगी भी नहीं इधर. Whatever your
I can't believe you're having chai.
But I had matcha for you. I had coffee. I can have chai. ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि culture against my culture है.
चाय पी लो यार.
Indians चाय पीते हैं, मैं कॉफी बेचती हूँ.
yeah, but actually periods के time she does have.
पीरियड्स के टाइम में मुझे चाय की क्रेविंग होती है, वो भी बन मस्का के साथ.
Oh, this is such a
It's
Bombay
such a
combo.
this that you remember that. Yeah. And then I told the hotel staff कि कड़क बनाना करके.
घर के जैसे.
I was going to say छोटू के जैसी चाय बनाना. इतने छोटू.
वो कड़क चाय में वो ये गया कि कड़क चाय didn't understand only.
कड़क बना के.
Ma'am, am I hearing it right? Ma'am, am I hearing it right?
Bro, वो बोल रहा है रेडीमेड टी, वो गिरनार का प्रीमिक्स डाल के तो नहीं देगा. Because he kept saying ready-made tea. What if he put a premix and give me?
Yeah,
That is
possibility
also
है.
very possible. very
Really?
much possible.
Oh my god, what a nightmare. Where is the British Raj का
ये सब
signs
पूरा
and
ब्रिटिश
symptoms?
राज ही है.
हाँ,
ये
ये
बिल्डिंग
Park Street
ब्रिटिश
तो
राज
पूरा वही
बिल्डिंग है.
था.
ब्रिटिश बिल्डिंग है.
Where is Sabyasachi's house?
Sabyasachi's house. उधर गरिया हट साइड. हाँ, लेक के
हाँ,
पास.
लेक के पास.
House भी इधर है.
That's a massive it's like a royal this thing in itself.
पूरा टी
महल है वो.
host करता है जिसमें he calls influencers, not like influencer but like fashion वाले creators वाले लोग, plus people who buy from him and all, he calls them.
Nice. हम भी खरीदते हैं फिर.
One
हमको भी
of my
बुलाएगा.
sisters works there. Let me know if you wanna buy. I'll get an employee discount.
Oh damn! मेरी शादी का ऑलरेडी फिक्सिंग हो गया है. स्किन केयर स्पॉन्सर तो वैसे भी है, और फिर हमको अभी सब्यसाची का कॉन्टैक्ट.
Now you say this and then people like शादी कर रहे हो. कोलकाता शादी के कपड़े देखने आए थे.
Let me know.
माहौल सेट हो गया है. इधर मेरी फ्लाइट 9 बजे की है, बट हम चाय पी रहे हैं. इधर आइस टी बन रही है, हमारी बारटेंडर आइस टी बना रही है. इम्पल्स आइस टी, जो खुशबू मस्त आ रही है. चाय अच्छी है? चाय अच्छी है? नहीं अच्छी है. नहीं अच्छी है. कितने की है चाय ये? 400 रुपए की चाय.
800 रुपए हुआ.
ओ एक ग्लास 400 रुपए की है.
Oh my god! I told you it's premix.
प्रीमिक्स है ये.
मेरे को वैसा ही लग रहा है.
ओ माय गॉड, इसलिए वो रेडीमेड टी बोलता क्या. ब्रो मेरी ब्लैक कॉफी. बारटेंडर मेरा 200 रुपए का पैकेट, 200 नहीं 300 रुपए का पैकेट है.
Try and see if you like it. Maybe my taste buds are.
I like only supreme level chai because anyways I don't like chai. I like only like Irani cafe वाला चाय. मेरा नागोरी वाला. मेरे को नागोरी की चाय पसंद है. ये कोई यूरोप में थोड़ा मंगाई हूँ मैंने. कैलकाटा में लोगों को चाय बनाने नहीं आती है. ये क्या बात हुई? बदतमीजी है ये तो. It's not bad.
I said to try and see maybe your taste buds.
Yeah, it's not premix. It's not Nagori level, but it's not bad. एक्चुअली मेरे को क्रेविंग भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग चल रही थी. मेरे को पीरियड्स के टाइम पे चाय की क्रेविंग होती है. क्या अजीब इंसान हूँ. ये स्ट्रॉबेरी है. शी वांटेड स्ट्रॉबेरी.
It smells very nice.
हाँ.
I can smell it.
More than this chai, my chai smell.
Sweetness कम कर दिया है.
शुगर फ्री है ना ये.
Oh, wow.
बट क्या टेस्ट आ रहा है फिर? तुमको तो बहुत मीठा लगता है.
मेरे को एकदम परफेक्ट स्ट्रॉबेरी का टेस्ट आ रहा है.
हाँ.
I don't want it to be more sweet now. परफेक्ट स्वीट है ये क्योंकि
Yes. The feedback I got from customers is कि ऐसा इसमें ज्यादा फ्लेवर आ रहा है as compared to the पुराना वाला. पुराना वाला रूह अफ़ज़ा जैसा लग रहा है अब उनको, क्योंकि they still have it and they are like we want this one only now.
this is more intense flavor. Yeah, this even I agree. Yeah, very nice. The smell is also very nice. It's like a pura experience.
Yay!
And I'm somehow feeling better after drinking this. Like, I don't know.
This is the vitamins. Everyone's saying that.
How come?
This is the vitamins we've put. So it will make you feel very fresh after
I'm
having.
feeling fresh.
Yep. You're getting B12 and C का 80% RDA in this, in one glass, in one serving.
Guava chili में भी ऐसे ही.
हाँ हाँ, बेस फॉर्मूला ही लॉक करने इतना टाइम लग गया ना. फॉर्मूला एंड पैकेजिंग में ही मेरी वाट लग गई.
Wow, it's also very nice. But I'm a strawberry girl.
Yeah.
It's like there's this ice cream ना.
Apsara ka.
Apsara का.
Guava
chili
glory.
वाला.
Yes.
It's pura that.
Yes.
Like think of that as like a liquid format. It was that.
Yay!
Very nice.
The saddest section you get out of making it.
Wow, I can't believe कि ऐसे vitamins का इतना effect होता है.
Yes, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा
When
है.
you drink the other one, I see now you feel immediate lethargy.
Because sugar does that to you.
Does that to you?
Smile करने लग गई हूँ मैं इसको पी के. Energy, burst of energy.
Oh, wow, I can smell the guava. Wow, it's like guava. It's like eating a guava. So flavorful, and the sweetness is like it's not overpowering. I can taste the flavor more than anything else.
Yeah.
Top. I like the guava more, but this also has the flavor of the strawberry very nicely. Yeah, it's very nice.
Guava is already sold out. Guava is what people love.
Guava. If I had to pick, I would pick the guava.
But what would you pick? Strawberry.
Strawberry,
Yes.
outright.
Because
It's
she's
always
yeah.
like strawberry and guava chili is like
There's a battle.
Yeah.
In fact, a lot of people wanted the other flavors. मैं लाने नहीं वाली थी, but अभी consumer demand पे मैंने assorted pack भी launch कर दी हूँ. तो वो भी आ रहा है क्योंकि packaging तो था मेरे पास. I was like ठीक है, waste क्यों करना?
मैं चाय के बाद इसको टेस्ट चेंज करने के लिए पीऊंगी.
क्योंकि चाय वैसे भी नहीं, मेरे को तो चाय अच्छी लगी. मेरा मन था चाय पीने का.
I can't even compare it to anything, so it's like at the top because मैंने वो वाला नहीं
शुगर वाला
try
नहीं
किया.
पीती तू ना. This I thought it has scope if done well, so I did the work. And
There's also a lot of samples we are going to do, like some was
bro,
salty.
this had to launch in first week of April. This is launching now in first week of May because
सबर का फल मीठा होता है.
sugar free वाला मीठा.
Guilt free मीठा.
Guilt free मीठा.
I had no clue कि vitamins का इतना बड़ा effect होता है in your mood. Like till you see it in person, you don't realize कि it affects so much. It's a game changer.
Yeah, it is. Give her no more sachets. You make the people in your office try.
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry I'll give you. Both of you take. जो मैं Vox Pop का सामान लाई थी. Make Arman try. Record his reaction. Record his reaction.
Done.
You want only strawberry? Okay.
I have
No,
3
go.
strawberry. If you want, you can give her 1.
No, there are more. Wait, I'll give her. Give me 5 strawberries. Blinkit के लिए मत रुकना मंगाने के लिए. पहले वेबसाइट पे मंगा लो.
हाँ, अगर लॉन्च हो जाएगा मैं तो यहाँ से लेके जाऊंगी स्टॉक करके.
Yay.
वहाँ थोड़ी फिर मिलेगा मेरे को.
Here you go.
You're welcome. मेरे को एक रिप्लेस कर दो with guava. Yes, thank you.
Yay! Stocked up. माल है, yes. Real माल है ये.
Can move around. I feel that energy, like that burst of energy,
That burst
and
of
very
energy is
refreshing
happening.
feeling.
That's what I've been trying to actually say. This is better than Red Bull, but I can't claim it's an energy drink. I'm not saying energy drink because it's not an energy drink.
But the vitamins is making
Yes.
yeah, giving that
Feel
feeling.
so much better.
Yeah. The whole thing is the 80% vitamin B12. The B12 especially for
B12 is the one which is making us feel like a burst of energy.
And what you said, like having coffee during that time, this is a good alternative. Like people who don't want to have coffee at like 3-4 p.m. they can have this and they will still get that energy and that refreshed feeling instead of the caffeine. It's
Yeah, like I have it in the night only mostly because I want sweet after my dinner. मैं एनर्जी के लिए नहीं, मेरे को तो B12 है, मैं नॉन वेजिटेरियन हूँ, मेरे में B12 डेफिशिएंसी नहीं है, तो मुझे तो मिल जाता है खाना से. नहीं, मुझे फुल डे तो मैं फुल एनर्जी में हूँ और मैं प्रोटीन ही खा रही हूँ, एकदम भाग दौड़ कर रही हूँ, कैफीन पे जी रही हूँ, एड्रेनलिन हाई है. फिर रात को व्हेन आई वांट टू रिलैक्स आल्सो आई गेट ब्रेन फॉगी. At the night, I'm like, now I'm very tired. So then this gives me exactly like it gives me like clarity कि enough कि I can have a conversation with a friend, I can chill with Reet. I'm not like अब मुझे सोने दो, हट जाओ यहाँ से. Like वो irritation हट जाता है.
no, that is true. Like I'm feeling like that now. Like abhi I can go have, I can roam around, I can sit and talk for 4 hours non-stop without feeling drained out. That energy is there. And I'm not a fan of Red Bull, so for me this is like
For me, it's replaced my Sprite Zero. I used to drink Sprite Zero every night, and now I'm like, which is why we're selling as pack of 4, pack of 10. कि I'm like पूरे महीने का supply लो website पे. Like that is how I trust the product. I took my time with the product.
no, you've done
It shows. It shows.
Yeah.
There's no better. I cannot explain. Like when we were formulating, I didn't know that it would be so good.
A few moments later.
We are missing our flight in front of our eyes because we saw the wrong. Like हम लोग कब से रुके और गलत सीट 18 ही सोच के गेट 22 था, गेट 22 पे नहीं बैठे. Shit bro. It's okay, don't cry. It's okay, it's okay. क्या हुआ? रात को 12 बजे पहुंचेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's a mistake. You're allowed mistakes. Something will figure out. God is with us. It's okay. It's a human mistake. क्या हो गया? I completely understand. It's a stupid mistake. We were sitting. हम लोग तो कब से बैठे हैं मालूम है. मैंने पानी वानी भी खरीद लिया. हम लोग चिल कर रहे थे उधर. Nothing like we thought Indigo तो हमेशा लेट होता है. यहीं से आपको टाइम से निकलना था और हमेशा इंडिगो का कॉल आता है कि आप बोर्ड क्यों नहीं किए. एक कॉल भी नहीं आया मेरे को.
कॉल आपका कभी आएगा आउट ऑफ कर्टेसी, कभी कभार हम लोग करते. दैट्स नॉट इन आवर पॉलिसी आल्सो. वो हम लोग रूल भी नहीं करते. ठीक है, फेयर इनफ. ठीक है, ओके. माय मिस्टेक, आवर मिस्टेक. I didn't check the gate message on my this. I was using DigiYatra, so I don't have the boarding pass on my hand. And Sharon has been looking at her seat number as the boarding. So we sat at 18. We asked one passenger at 9:30. Yeah, 1 hour we sat there. And then we asked one passenger that kya hua is you're going to Bombay, right? And they were like, no, we are going to what is it? Calicut or something.
They're going to Air India पर जाना.
हाँ, एयर इंडिया. that was. हमारे आंखों के सामने ये फ्लाइट निकल रही है. आज की मिलेगी कोई फ्लाइट दूसरी?
नेक्स्ट आपकी मॉर्निंग 2 o'clock है.
Morning 2 o'clock.
Because this is the last flight from Calcutta today.
So from where do I buy this flight now?
I'm just giving you I'm just writing the counter name. Okay, I will be signing you out from here. After going out at the check-in counter, C1 is the check-in counter name. आपको बाहर जाके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एकदम कॉर्नर में एक हेल्प डेस्क मिलेगा. ऊपर में लिखा हुआ है हेल्प डेस्क. आप वहाँ पे जाके बोलिएगा, दे विल बी.
Okay. Don't cry. It's okay. क्या कर सकते हैं तो क्या हुआ? It's okay. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? रोके क्या मिलेगा? Flight तो गई. It's a funny story to tell your kids someday. When you travel, these things happen, bro. It's okay. So क्या कर लेती वो 1 घंटे में? देखो भूख लगी है ना. अभी एयरपोर्ट से निकलते कुछ खाते हैं. We'll go. ठीक है? अभी बाहर जाके कुछ खाते हैं. क्या खाना है बोल? You're coming with me? अच्छा, okay. ठीक है. हाँ, okay, ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. I've done this before. मैं दिल्ली की फ्लाइट भी बोर्डिंग से छोड़ के आई थी जब ग्रीस के वीज़ा के लिए गई थी. अपनी आंखों के सामने जा रहे हैं.
आज सुनाने को बोला. I've never had a bad flight. I've never had like any situation like airport flight and मेरी गाड़ी चली
तेरी
गई.
खुद की आंखों के सामने. अपन कैसे गलत गेट पे इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली बैठे हैं ना इतने टाइम से.
सोचे क्यों नहीं कि बोर्डिंग का आधे घंटे पहले शुरू की.
वो भी that is because he told you that boarding नहीं है.
क्या टाइम है बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट्स एट
8:55. I'm also little panic, but क्या ही कर सकते हैं. क्या करना क्या है एक्चुअली अभी अपने को. नहीं मतलब अभी वापस कैलकटा के अंदर जाएंगे ना क्योंकि कितने बज रहे हैं. 9:30 बज रहे रात की. मैं सोच रही हूँ कोई और एयरलाइन नहीं मिलेगा क्या. Alright guys, we found the joke and the comedy that seat number नहीं देखना, boarding gate देखना. What absent-minded foolishness. But it's okay. We stay present all the time. We can't be hard on ourselves. We do too much. It's Sunday and we are working. एंड हमने बहुत काम किया है, तो थोड़ी गलती हो गई, ठीक है। 6,000 रुपये में फिक्स हो जाएगी। 3,000 पर पर्सन में उन लोग हमको नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट में डाल देंगे। नहीं, मैंने किया है ये सब हरकतें, मुझे पता है 3,000 में डाल देते नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट पे। लास्ट टाइम में मेरी इंडिगो ही थी। सो एनीवे, वी नाउ नीड टू री एंटर द एयरपोर्ट। वी've come out. Indigo on time is a very very surprising thing because in Bombay Indigo is never 9:40 की फ्लाइट है, 9:30 बंद करके निकल रहे हैं इन लोग, which is crazy because Indigo is never on time these days. Good, they are improving और हम बिगड़ गए उनके नात में।
One eternity later.
Guys, we are in Holiday Inn hotel. ये है 7 मिनट दूर एयरपोर्ट से। शरण अपनी माँ से डांट खा रही है for being irresponsible. And since she's such a responsible person, I was also careless with her because with her I become like the daughter and she's my mother. And now she's getting shouted from her mother.
She's like, are you dumb?
That तो tell her full day we be very smart. So yeah.
Chal, bye, bye.
चिकन चिली खाएगी क्या? काठी रे. Even I will have iced tea. Tell them for ice cold water. Don't show in the hotels. You can't immediately show. पहले पानी मंगा, ठंडा पानी. शेयरिंग की कॉमन सेंस लफ्टर चैट। मैं कल छुट्टी ले रही हूँ काम पे। ये सब ना मैं इसलिए इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी नहीं डालती हूँ, मालूम है? जब मैं जहाँ होती हूँ, जैसी मैं स्टोरीज डाल रही थी जब हमारी फ्लाइट छूटी, नजर लग गई। नजर इज सच अ कुत्ती चीज ना, पीपल से कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है, बट होता है। जब मैं बिना स्टोरी डाले ट्रिप मारती हूँ, कुछ नहीं होता है। जैसे ही मैं स्टोरी डालती हूँ ट्रिप पे से, कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही है। दिस इज व्हाई आई डिडंट पोस्ट सो फार, and I posted from the car only. I started posting and poof, it's okay, but something worse could have happened. Mashallah, alhamdulillah, this is nothing. We are completely fine, safe, healthy. That's the only criteria that counts here. Trial number 2 to go to the airport. Leaving Holiday Inn hotel. अभी वापस कोशिश करेंगे ये। Yes. मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला तो लोग बोल रहे टेक दिस एज अ साइन टू गो टू योर हस्बैंड इन असम। मैंने तो सोचा था ये, यू आर नॉट द ओनली पीपल थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, बट 11 बजे सुबह तक फ्लाइट नहीं असम की, और उतना तो मैं रुकूंगी नहीं एयरपोर्ट पे, तो बॉम्बे इज माई बेस्ट बेट। वन गुड थिंग अबाउट बॉम्बे इज ऑलवेज अ फ्लाइट गोइंग टू बॉम्बे। और अ chaotic 48 hours we've had। मैं व्लॉग स्टार्ट करती हूँ सोच के कुछ होगा क्या, बट कंटेंट अपने आप मिल जाता है हमको। इंटरेस्टिंग तो मेरी जीवन अपने आप बन जाती है, मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ बने। What are the odds? The new boarding pass for the new flight and the gate and the seat both are 18.
What? वो तो देखा ही नहीं मैंने।
Yeah, because seat तो सेम थी ना, हमने पैसा दिया था एक्स्ट्रा लेग रूम की सीट का, जो तूने नहीं ली लास्ट फ्लाइट पे। तो अभी crazy now again same gate पे we are going to do the Jagran for tonight. We got the new flight for just 3,000 rupees per person, so 6,000 we paid for 2 people, which is okay. That's our ticket. Take the ticket. Now we have our boarding pass. Let's keep it safely in the bag. Let's do security check and all over again. देख लो guys, एक बार हम पढ़ लेते हैं इसको fully. Zone 2, gate 18, seat 18D, flight 6C366. Okay? आप लोग भी याद रखो, आप भी याद रखो, मैं तो डेफिनेटली याद रखूंगी जीवन भर। गेट 18 मेरा। जो गेट पे हम लास्ट टाइम बैठे थे तो उधर ही रुके रहते, तो ये 2 बजे वाली फ्लाइट तो हमको डेफिनेटली मिल जाए। 2 बजे तक भी हम फोन पे रह सकते, हम इतना एब्सेंट माइंडेड थे कि we would have definitely not even realized till 2 o'clock. शरण का तो फर्स्ट ट्रिप टू कोलकाता।
It was good. It was good. Till मतलब brand wise was amazing.
Yeah, brand wise everything went well. Everything was good only. Kolkata is usually seamless, so it had to create little bit of like the gate we had to be at last time versus the gate we were at, and now again we have to go to that same gate. मैं 1 बजे वापस चेक करूँगी अगर गेट चेंज की। The Indigo is notorious for also changing the gate last minute. And this is a complete silent airport, so no announcements. बहुत कार्डियो हो गए, बहुत स्टेप्स हो गए, फ़ोन में देखना पड़ेगा कितने हो गए। मैं तो मस्त मैग्नीशियम ली और मेरे को इतनी नींद आ रही है। फ्लाइट पे आउट ऐसे सोने वाली हूँ ना मैं, लैंड होने के बाद भी उनको उठाना पड़ेगा मेरे को। फाइनली बोर्डिंग, यस मेड इट। Second time's the charm. God had already planned for us to reach at this time only, Sharon. Maybe had we taken that flight also, we would have reached at this time only home. God knows best. Let's go home finally. ये आइल ही नहीं चल पाए हम लास्ट टाइम। बस इतने पे रह गए थे, हम एयरपोर्ट तक पहुंचे थे।
10 मिनट पहले और जल्दी आते तो हो जाता। अगर 20 की बात
10 नहीं
20
15 बिकॉज जब डॉक्यूमेंट्स बंद कर दिए 15 मिनट तो उन लोग रुकते हैं सबको बिठा के एवरीथिंग दे चेक एंड ऑल दैट दे स्टार्ट 15 minutes late we were on that flight.